This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Oh, I have all this code. If you don't have it, you need to go back through this lesson, all the other puzzles, to get it. If you're stuck, follow my tutorials. Create your own Flappy game. Yes! You can change the visuals and the rules, even the gravity. When you're done, click Finish to share with friends. Ooh. Okay, so where's gravity? I'm going to actually change this back to normal. Wait, I can change the set player to yellow bird. Okay, so at the beginning, I'm going to set the player to something else. I'm going to get rid of underwater. Spaceship? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to set it to a spaceship. And then set ground. Whoa. You can. Oh, I want lava. Okay, so how about only when they hit the ground, it changes to lava? Because game over. Let's see what this looks like. No, keep playing. I love that. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so we set, and then set obstacles. Ooh, boom. To so I only want to change the obstacles once, right? Like if I did it when click, random, that would mean every time I click, this code runs. It's kind of wild. No, keep playing. So let's say set obstacles to random. When I hit an obstacle, points are going to be 0. What is it? Ooh, what about this? When I hit an obstacle, I'm going to set points to 0, but I'm also going to increase gravity. I don't know. And then flap a normal amount we already had. What's gap? Is this gap between obstacles? Let's randomize it? No, let's do very small so we can test what it is. Oh, the gaps. Oh, gosh. That is way too difficult. So I am going to set, well, no, let's randomize that. And then I actually want to change the scene right when the game starts. So right here, I'm going to say set scene. Ooh, this is a lot. To Santa. Sci-fi. Okay. Boom. Oh, and the gravity gets, ooh, this is cool. Oh, of course. Lava! Awesome. And look, you can share your game with others. That was fun.